Good afternoon, guys! Hapon na guys. Siguro mga 2 plus na. Katapos ko lang maligo, nag-makeup na din ako ng slide. And na-realize ko, meron palang ganito ang kulay. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung nagkamali si ate, pero tingnan nyo guys, very ano siya. Obvious. Feeling ko nagkamali siya ng paglagay ng kulay. Oh well. Wala tayong magawa. Yeah. Ganito yung itsura niya kapag may ano na ako. I mean, kapag straight yung buhok. Yan, very subtle lang siya. Anyway, kakain tayo guys ng lunch kasi aalis kami na Dan. Sabi niya, kumain ka before tayo umalis. Kasi ayoko makarinig na gutom ka. Ang dami natin pagkain sa bahay. Kumain na kasi siya. I think nag-breakfast na yun at saka nag-lunch na yun. Yung light and easy niya. And kapag umaalis kami, nagreklamo ako. Gutom na gutom ako. Tapos sabi niya, bakit hindi ka kumakain sa bahay? Bakit laging sa labas? Kasi natitempt din siya na kumain na din siya. Eh, nagda-diet yun. So, supportaan natin yung ang kanyang diet. At kain tayo guys. Meron akong leftover from kahapon yung beans. So, let's eat. The weather is looking really good, people. Mainit na siya, guys. Pero medyo ano pa din siya ata, windy. So, kaya ako naka-cardigan. Kain tayo. Yung gagawin namin ni Dan is pupunta kami sa guys. Mag-shopping kami, guys. Para i-decorate ko ng bahay sa birthday ko. Kasi hindi sana ako guys. Wala sana akong gagawin sa birthday ko. Kasi akala ko talaga, I'm working on my birthday. Pero, na timing guys, na yung birthday ko, roster day off ka din siya. So, may day off ako sa birthday ko. And sabi ko, ano kayang gagawin ko? And sa day off ko, lagi kasi ako may ganap. Like, nagfi-film ako ng video. But sabi ko, napaka-weird naman kung off ko. Tapos wala akong gagawin. Tapos it's my birthday. So, yun. Tinext ko na lang yung mga babae. And we will have dinner here. Magluluto ako ng kung ano yung... Yeah, magluluto ako ng spaghetti ata, tapos spring roll. I'm not sure. Hindi ko pa alam. Hindi ko pa sure, pero yeah, we will have dinner here. And then nakita ko yung post ni Kim Chu sa Instagram. Yung ano niya, yung pa 5 million na ano niya, na parang decoration, tapos may balloon. So sabi ko, wala, gusto ko yun ng ganito. So ilalagay ko siya dyan, guys. Yung sa wala pa yung cabinet. Then, magde-decorate ako ng slide lang naman. So, yun yung gagawin namin. Sabi na Dan, sige, bili tayo ng decoration. So, that's what we're doing today. Yum! Kain, guys. Ang dami niya tingnan kasi ang liit ng plate ko. Good afternoon, my love.
Good afternoon.
You look so flowery today, babe.
Thank you.
Thank you. What were you saying? What were you saying? What?
Nothing.
You're so mean. Don't disturb a Filipina when she's eating, babe. Food is life. Rice is life. Kumakain ako, guys, kung ano-ano pinagsasabi.
Keep on eating. Come on, we have to do stuff today.
Hey, I'm already really productive, guys.
Me too.
What did you do?
I ate lunch and breakfast.
That's it?
That's it.
I edited 2 videos. Yes!
And had a shower.
You had it. Me too. Smell me. Oh, babe! Look at this.
What's
Look.
wrong? What's wrong?
Look at this. It's very harsh.
What's that? What's harsh?
That color, the color. See? It cuts off right there.
That little bit of hair there. Can't even tell.
Wait, what was I showing you guys earlier? This one, see, it's really light. It's not too bad, but
It's
I'm just
fine.
saying. Wait.
There. Oh well, that's fine.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Jesus.
Do you like my hair?
I do.
It's so nice, huh?
Looks good on the back as well.
Does it?
Now cruising in his Pinto, he sees homies as he passed. But if he looks twice, they're gonna kick
His lily ass.
He did it.
Did what?
Nothing.
I'm recording.
Hello, people.
Long way.
Dan is too lazy to drive. Too lazy.
I drive all week.
Yeah, that's your job. You're a driver.
What am I, taxi driver?
You're a driver. What are you doing?
Hey, Peter.
Hay fever, guys. Spring na kasi. Ganun siya. Parang ano dun. So, heading to your mom's house?
Nah, on the way to Mum's house. We'll go past the shop.
Okay.
Okay.
That was weird.
What was?
He did the right signal and then did the left as well right there and then. So he cut off and then. So we will go. Okay. Where are we going? Chipa Strips or Reject Shop?
Strips.
Okay. Punta kami Chipa Strip, guys. Tingnan namin yung ano, yung party stuff. Char. Chipa Strips. Ito yung malaking Chipa Strips. Sana may makita tayo, babe. Hey, Neil Z. Oh, ito, babe. Ala, look at this, my love. Cactus. Ito na yung mga party. Ay, yeah, ito yung mga. Oh, ito, babe. Oh, happy birthday. But then I want the tassel. Gusto ko yung tassel, guys. $4. Ooh, nice. Parang sa wedding natin.
Got that one, no?
Yeah. No, not yet.
Or hashtag party.
Hashtag party. Parang namang ano yung pa-party-party ko eh. Parang wala lang naman yun, babe. Wait. Daming mga ano, guys. Pang party. Ito mga plain lang. Yung nandun kanina kasi mga polka dots. That's very colorful. That's nice. Yeah. See? It matches that. I like it. Yung sa table na lang, babe. Let's just go for white. Or if they have the gold, but they don't. No.
You're black.
Ganito siya, babe. Okay. There's some colorful stuff down here. Gusto niya bumili ng mask. Halloween na, guys. Ayaw mo, guys. Halloween na, guys. Happy Halloween! Takotin natin si Dan. Parang maunahan pa ata ako, ah. Okay. Yeah, that's scary.
What do I look like?
Can you see yourself?
I like that.
Ew, it's so scary. You're so scary. No. Take it off. Can you breathe?
Yeah. I like that.
Of course you like that. It looks like you.
How much is it?
Where is that? Where did you get that? I think that's the only one left. That's the only one left, babe. I like this one. Head mask. Oh, cool. It's a baby. Cry baby. That's me. Gusto niya talaga bilhin yung mask. Oh,
I like that.
go buy it if you want it.
I will.
Susuot niya daw sa Amerika. Hindi niya talaga tinitigilan. Uy, hindi naman tayo nag-shopping para sa mask mo. It's my birthday! It's my birthday! Guys, ang cute ng eraser. Oh, cactus. Ang gaganda na ng mga school supplies ng mga bata ngayon. Look. This one's nice. First batch! Ito guys. Punta kami kay Mart. May hanapin lang kami doon. Ang cute guys. Pedro's homemade gelati. Truck siya.
I think we'll be alright.
You have money?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got some cash.
So we've got single, double, nut sundae.
Oh, we should be alright, mate. I got $9, so we should be able to
Yeah,
all we
you
want.
have 2 doubles if you want a good $9.
Are you gonna 2 doubles, babe? Or not? 2 doubles is quite big.
I'll get
Like this.
a single.
Okay, I'll get a. She'll get a single and I'll get a double.
Okay.
All right, sorry, mate.
Thank you.
No trouble.
Do you make this yourself, the ice cream?
Yeah,
or?
I make it myself.
Okay, cool.
Oh, cool.
Everything in lemon, I squeeze the lemon, strawberries, make it with the fresh strawberries,
Okay,
Yum.
banana, fresh banana,
cool.
rum and rice with really rum.
Oh, I'll go rum and raisin, please. How many flavors do you get with double? 2?
3 flavors if you want it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go rum and raisin, lemon, please, and chocolate, please.
And chocolate.
Thank you.
I wanna get a coffee. Guys, we got ice cream. Si Kuya, nakita namin, dumating kami sa bahay, galing kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan, may kinuha lang kami. And then sabi ko, may sasakyan, ice cream truck pala siya. Luma na yung truck niya. Tapos, bumili kami ni Dan. Si Dan got 3 flavors. You show them, babe? Yung kay Dan. What do you get?
Lemon, rum and raisin, and chocolate.
Which one's your favorite? The chocolate one, of course.
No, lemon's good.
Lemon's good? Lemon is so sweet. I got lemon, and then coffee, and then binigyan niya ako ng free na banana. Sabi ko, wag! Kasi hindi ko mauubos. Sabi niya, Nana, I'll give you banana. It's so nice. We paid $8, I think, kasi parang $4.50 yung double, yung triple yung kay Dan. Tapos, $3.50 yung akin. Pero ayoko ng banana, so si Dan kakain ng banana. I don't like the banana. No, don't break it. Guys, pakita ko pala sa inyo yung binili namin ni Dan. Yung pang birthday ko, guys. So, medyo napadami ito. Hindi naman ito yung nasa plano ko, pero nandun kasi si Dan, sabi niya, yeah, ito, bilhin natin. So, anyway, we got 2 bags. Nagpunta kami sa Cheapest Chips at saka sa Kmart. Yes. Sa Cheapest Chips, yung binili namin is... So, bumili kami nito sa Cheapest Chips. $3 siya, guys. So, pang wine. Yan lang. Yung bisita ko kasi is sila ano lang naman, Kat, Lyra, si Love, at saka yung mga asawa nila, mga baby nila. And I got this bunting na ano, guys, parang siyang burlap. Ganito kasi yung parang theme namin sa wedding namin ni Dan, parang rustic. So I was like, that's nice. So ganito yung itsura niya, guys, yan. So yung parang theme ko is, meron akong theme. Yung ganito, parang burlap, tapos may gold at saka white. Yes, yun. And then, we got this. $3 din siya. So, ganyan din yung kulay niya. I got another one sa Kmart. And then, I got gold balloons. This is the closest to gold na we can find dun. That was $2. And then, this. Brown lang siya, guys. It goes with the theme. Yan. And then, we got 2 of these ribbons. Ganyan siya. Parang siyang gold siya, pero it's kind of like parang very yellow gold. Not yellow, parang greenish. Greenish? Ano yun? Ganyan, guys. Gagawin ko tong parang tasos kasi wala akong nahanap dun sa Cheapest Chips na taso. So, gagawan lang ako ng sarili ko. I think I will start doing it today. And then I got the white. So, I want to have like gold, white tasos. And then, we got this. We will make jello shots, gelatin shots. And then, hala, bili ako tequila pala. Char. Tequila talaga. And then, we got this para sa food. Yan. 10-pack siya. And this was only $7. And then, si Dan, bumili ng mask. Ewan ko dyan sa kanya, oy. This one we got from Kmart, actually. This is the Party Sparkles. $1 lang to, guys. So, yan. And then, yung mask na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, binili talaga siya ni Dan. Yan. $15 ata to. Dadalhin niya daw sa Amerika. And then, from Kmart, I got this. Kasi mura lang siya, guys. Tapos naka-sale pa siya. Yay. It says yay. So, i-display ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung saan. But, this is $4 lang. And, kailangan mo ng battery. Hindi ko alam kung ilang battery kailangan. Requires 2 AA batteries. So, it says yay. And then, we got chocolates. Ito, wala to sa plano ko talaga. Pati yung yay, wala naman yun sa plano ko. Pero, Mura lang kasi yun eh. Anyway, before that, ito. Yung para sa balloon. Yan. Para sa balloon ba to? Yeah, para sa balloon to, guys. Plano ko, bumili ng gold na may 2 tsaka 8 na balloon, 28. Gusto ko yun. Tapos ilagay dun. Basta. And then, we got this. Oh, ito sa ano? Cheap as chips. Bakit nagkagulo-gulo na to? Ito sana yung gagawin namin pang ng balloon. Yung pang-hold ng balloon ba? Tapos maglalagay lang ako ng bato. Tapos i-wrap ko siya nito. Kaya lang, nakita namin to sa Kmart. Sabi nila, yan na lang kasi maganda naman siya. Silver. Wala siya sa tin, pero wala kasi silang gold dun. So yan. Ito, $1 lang siya. Ito sa Kmart. Kasi gusto ko siya. Ano siya, guys? Gold na polka dots. Na Serbia. And then our plates. Looks like this. Maganda siya kasi meron siyang gold na accent dyan sa gilid. And ganyan yung itsura niya. Now, I was gonna get just the plain white. Kaya lang, yung table kasi namin, kasi glass yung table namin, diba? Ika-cover ko siya ng table cover na white. Sabi na Dan, white yung table cover mo, tapos white pa yung plates mo. Parang, sabi niya, daw, sobrang white na daw. So, sabi ko, sige, ito na lang para it looks good against the white table cover. Char. May mga ganon. This was, I think, $3 each. So, bumili na lang kami ng dalawa. We won't need 2 kasi konti lang naman kami. But, cute niya kasi and magagamit din namin siya next time. And then, I got this. So, ito yung loot bags. Now, I was not planning to do any of these, guys. Kasi sabi ko, hindi naman, hindi siya, I don't want it to feel like super party-party. Pero sabi na Dan, it's gonna be fun. And I think he wants one for himself. So, bumili kami nito. Ito yung pinili ko. Kasi yung pipiliin niya sana, yung plastic lang na may sabi, yay. And yung plastic bag lang talaga siya ba. Tapos ito, $3. Yung plastic bag, $1. Sabi ko, ito na lang. It goes with the theme perfectly. So, meron siyang gold. Tapos meron siya nung brown. And then, it has the thank you stickers. And yung ilalagay namin dito is itong mga chocolate na to. So, I chose Snickers and Kit Kat. And then ito, Kinder na Bueno. And then, Dan chose ito, Cadbury. And then, Caramelo Koala, Caramelo Koala, and Lollipop. Yan. So, ilalagay namin siya doon sa party bag, loot bag, and yun. So, yun. Lagay natin to sa fridge. And I'm gonna start doing the pom-poms. Char. Ay, pom-poms? Tassels, yeah. Start ko yung gawin today, guys. Kasi our weekends will be really busy, guys. Ngayon lang yung free. Tapos, next week, Saturday will be free, but I think we will be busy. Kasi Sunday, we will go to Sydney. And then, the week after that, we will be in Sydney. So, pangalawang beses kami pupunta ng Sydney. Tapos, after nung weekend namin sa Sydney, yun na, yung next off ko, yun na yung birthday ko. So, wala talagang masyadong time na gawin ko mga to. Sabi nga ni Dan, sure ka ba na gagawin mo? Na ikaw lang mag-isa. Pero okay yun, kaya natin to. Hello, people! Luto tayo, guys, ng turon. Kasi hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. Yung time kasi ngayon, sobrang bilis. Kasi nag-daylight savings kami, guys. So, bigla na lang, dinagdagan ng 1 oras. So, kanina, sobrang liwanag pa. Pero 7:30 na pala. So, sabi ko, hala. Anyway, luto tayo ng turon, people. Ito lang yung dinner namin ni Dan. Salamat nga pala sa mga nag-comment about sa canola oil na yun daw yung pinaka-healthy dun sa 3 sinabi ko. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung isa. Naalala ko vegetable oil, canola oil, tapos yung isa nakalimutan ko. Pero salamat sa mga nag-comment na canola oil daw. Nabili na namin yung vegetable oil so pag-ubos na lang. Though, ang dami nagsasabi na mas healthy daw yung olive oil. Yung olive oil, yung main na oil namin, guys. Yun yung ginagamit namin na pangluto talaga. Yung malaking oil na pinakita ko sa inyo, na binili namin, yun lang yung gagamitin namin kapag nagdi-deep fry kami. Like, ngayon, magdi-deep fry ako ng So, hindi siya yung main na oil namin. Paminsan-minsan lang siya na oil. Kasi pang maramihan siya. Yung olive oil kasi, di ba, pang konti lang yun yung nasa glass na tsaka mahal din yung olive oil. Anyway, luto lang ako. Magluluto din ako ng fries. Ubusin ko na din yung fries na meron kami. Konti na lang to eh. Kasi niluto namin to kahapon. Hi guys. na-upload ko na yung video. Yung video, maaga na siya ma-upload sa Pilipinas kasi nga may daylight savings kami. So, yung 10 PM namin dito, ano dyan, 7:30 ata dyan sa Pilipinas. Yan, nagbago na siya guys. So, maaga yung video natin. Anyway, lagay ko lang yung aking My Lash Serum. Ito the house siya guys. Mura lang to guys. And, nilalagay ko din siya sa eyebrows ko. So, tingnan natin kung kung mag-work siya sa eyebrows. Kasi nag-work siya sa aking eyelashes eh. And then, I read a couple comments saying na itry daw sa eyebrows. Ayan. Okay na yan, guys. Tulog na ako, guys. Tulog na kami. Kasi maaga pa kami bukas. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.